On detection of smoke, the wireless optical smoke detector will raise two alarms. Firstly, a local audible alarm, and secondly, a vital signal will be sent automatically to the Lifeline home units or other telecare enabled systems. This, in turn, will immediately raise a call to the 24-hour monitoring centre, and an operator will alert the emergency services. Because this procedure is automatic, the immediate the risks to life and property are reduced. To install the smoke detector, it must be programmed into the Lifeline in the usual way. Press and hold the green cancel button until the unit enters programming mode.
Programming mode.
Press and hold the green cancel button again until the unit enters registration mode.
Registration mode.
In older units, this will just beep. Activate the smoke detector by pressing the test button until it beeps a couple of times. The Lifeline will beep an acknowledgement. Press cancel to exit programming mode. Then test the unit through to control by pressing the test button to ensure it registers on the PNC as a smoke detector.
Hello, that's Sunspruce 995 on a smoke detector.
Thank you very much, Aaron.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Bye. When we do a test and visit, it may not be necessary to change the battery. If the product number of the unit ends in 94, the detector must be replaced after 5 years. If the product code ends in 96, it must be replaced after 10 years. The batteries should last the life of the unit. However, if the detector comes through to the control centre with a low battery warning, or it starts to chirp, the battery should be changed and a sticker placed on it to say when it was changed. To open the detector, twist it anti-clockwise and it will unlock from the base. Inside we can see the 9-volt battery that operates this detector, the audible alarm and the radio transmitter. If it needs changing, pull it out of its clip, replace the battery, and place a sticker on it to show that it's been replaced. The serial number is located beneath the battery compartment. On a small rectangular silver sticker. It consists of 4 numbers that provide the date of the detector, with a further 6 numbers which identify the unit. The first 2 numbers identify the week, and the second 2 state the year in which the unit was made. In this case, the detector was made in week 24, 2016. That's the 3rd week in June. The product code is located beneath the name Tunstall. It has a slash in it, and in this case ends in 96, showing that it is a 10-year model. Ignore any letters or numbers after the dash.
The alarm call has been cancelled.
Next, ensure that the fins are clear of any obstruction by blowing any dust away. Then replace the unit into the base by turning it clockwise until it clicks. Next, test the unit through to control by pressing the test button.
Hello Simon, that's coming through a smoke detector.
That's great, thank you.
Now, bye bye.
Bye bye.